Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a reverse flower dip again. I just love to do my flowers. You probably already know that I am a flower girl. And I will use a 9 petal flower shaped cup from Paint Pour store. You can find all kinds of those cups, with this one has 8 and you have different bottoms, for pouring on them. You have a discount code down in the description box too, so that you can buy it yourself too if you want. And for my base coat I will use this powder blue by Winsor & Newton today, and my colors are pearl white, of course, cobalt blue hue by Winsor & Newton, Windsor violet by Winsor & Newton, this Tintal small hue or whatever by Golden. It's kind of a lavender, dark lavender color. And I have ultramarine blue, cyan blue, phthalo cyan blue, and this is it. And I will pour my base coat down, and I will just skip this part while I'm doing that you will not get bored. Okay, my base is down, and now I will just grab my string and mark the center, even though that I mark it, it's not necessarily, it's not any chance that I will have my flower totally in the middle, because it's kind of hard. Okay, so I will start with some pearl white. This is the consistency, it leaves a mound and disappears immediately. I mix about 1 part Vallejo pearl medium to 1 part titanium white and 4 parts of pouring medium for that. So let's start. I will grab a skewer, just do that to create some petal shapes, kind of. You don't need to do that. will drag this towards the middle this time. It's totally up to you if you want to do that or not. You can leave it just like it is. And of course you can leave that kind of pattern as it is too. You don't need to do a reverse dip, but I will today. You can just spin it out or whatever you want. So I will grab my paper napkin and spray it with water a little bit to soften it down. Just a touch. Now let's place it in the middle as precise as we can. And the other half. I like to do it half and half because it's easier, that you don't get, you know, air pockets underneath. It's with the napkin it's easy because they disappear quite easy, but if you use plastic that you can use too, it's a little harder to get your pockets out. I will just do this without the gloves because it's easier for me. Now I will connect my corners. And the other four. I'm trying to keep my middle where the middle is, where the middle of the flower is. Now I will just grab them together and lift straight up. Okay, and I again did a little weird thing here. Torch. And now I will add a little of my base color around here just to help paint to level out, you know. It's easier for paint to level out if it has a little paint around. Wow, I love it. It's beautiful. And while I'm doing that, the cells and lacing, more lacing than cells, will reveal in all its beauty. Now this will level out while drying, so don't be afraid. Just be careful that you will not pull some colors from the flower out. See, this part here is a little weird. And Fiona touch for the middle. And one final torch and I'm done. Wow, love it. Just a little towards the middle. And it is quite in the middle this time, so yay for me. Just, you see, this part here is a little bit, I drag probably my napkin that way, that it was not as nice, but love it. So this was a quick one. You can spin it out, but I want to keep this negative space because it's beautiful. I think it's so soft and nice that I just want to keep it like it is. So let me take you down for a close-up. So here it is. A gorgeous, gorgeous flower. It looks like it has a morning dawn on it or something. Just the right amount of purple just to give it a little interest, and I love the center because sometimes center came out a little weird, but this time I think that it isn't. You see, just this petal here is a little off, but like in nature, nothing is perfect, but this one almost is. So I love, love, love it. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about this background color? What do you think about it? If you want, of course. And thank you so much for watching. And see you on the next one. Bye.